Imagine every photo you have ever taken, every document you have ever written, every game you have ever played, suddenly vanished, gone forever. What if I told you there is silent guardian protecting your digital life? A device that holds not just your data, but your memories, your work, your entire digital existence. Today, we are exploring one of technology's most crucial inventions, the hard drive. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will never look at your computer the same way again. At its simplest, a hard drive is your computer's long-term memory, the place where all your digital content lives even when the power goes off. Unlike your computer's RAM, which temporarily remembers what you are working on right now, hard drives are non-volatile, meaning they don't forget when powered down. This makes them perfect for storing everything from your operating system to your cat videos. When it comes to hard drive, there are two main giants battling for your data, and they work in completely different ways. Traditional hard disk drive stores data on spinning magnetic platters. Yes, actual physical disks that rotate at incredible speeds. Read-write headover is just nanometers above the surface, thus thinner than human hair. To read and write your data. HDD facts. Capacities from 2TB to 30TB and beyond. Speed from 100 to 250 MB per second. Cost from $0.01 to $0.03 per gigabyte. Much cheaper for large storage. Lifespan more than 5 years typically. Solid-state drives are the revolutionaries. They have no moving parts. Instead, they use flash memory chips, like giant USB stick, to store data electronically. SSD facts. Capacities from 1TB to 4TB typically, up to 8TB for premium models. Speed from 1000 to 7500 MB per second, up to 75 times faster than HDDs. Cost from $0.08 to $0.2 per gigabyte, more expensive but faster. Lifespan limited write cycles, but typically more than 5 years. You can pause the video and read this table that compare HDD versus SSD at a glance. But wait, there is more. How your drive connects to your computer makes a huge difference too. SATA is the most common interface, used by both HDDs and SSDs. The latest version, SATA 3, can reach speeds up to 600 MB per second. NVMe drives use the PCIe interface for insane speeds up to 7500 MB per second, thus over 12 times faster than SATA. These are exclusively for SSDs and use the M.2 form factor. Hard drives comes in different physical sizes too, and choosing the right one matters for your device. These are the big boys, primarily used in desktop computers and data centers. They offer the highest capacities, up to 30TB, and the lowest cost per gigabyte, but require more power and space. The most common form factor for both laptop HDDs and SSDs, they are smaller, use less power, but have slightly lower capacities than 3.5-inch drives. These ultra-compact drives look like sticks of gum and connect directly to your motherboard. They are exclusively for SSDs and can support both SATA and blazing-fast NVMe interfaces. So which drive is right for you? Let's break it down by need. You can pause the video and see the right choice for you. And of course, it can be less or more. The storage revolution isn't slowing down. Researchers are working on technologies that could make today's drive look ancient. HAMR, heat-assisted magnetic recording, could push HDD capacities to 100TB or more. QLC, quad-level cell, and PLC, penta-level cell, increasing SSD capacities while lowering costs. Storage class memory, blurring the line between RAM and storage for instant-on computing. Whether you choose the spacious affordability of HDDs or blazing speed of SSDs, remember this: your data is priceless. Your photos, documents, and memories deserve reliable storage and regular backups. Now that you are a hard drive expert, which type will you choose for your needs? Until next time, never stop learning.